Okay, take 4. Hello and welcome. Today, me and Maeve are going to be designing each other's homes in Pinterest. Exciting because, you know, I have a vision for what I think Maeve's house will look like in the future, and I think
and
Maeve
also
has.
just to mention now, like, he is an interior designer. I'm not. So obviously his
No,
could be better
Maeve
than mine.
done an interior design course in college, so so don't let her fool you.
I also have a master's in
In doctoring, so you know she's not just a one-track pony. She's a 4-legged horse. So without further ado, let's just jump into this. Okay, so Maeve, you're going to be on the laptop, and you're going to be designing my home.
It's gonna be like Sims or something.
No.
Start all. Any of
Oh
any
geez,
of the
out
kids
there.
remember that?
So you're very lucky because all the pictures are going to come up are pictures based off pins I've saved. So it's already kind of things I like. So you can have
Is
a
that
bit
a
of
big black coat? Sorry.
It's a blazer.
Right,
So then any pin that you see, think, okay, that will be what James has to look like. You save it to that. And we're going to give ourselves a time limit of 5 minutes.
Do I have to look up stuff and be like,
Yeah, so if you're like,
posters of Zac Efron and stuff?
Yeah, life-size cutouts.
Sure, obviously you like all them, so you've already pinned them.
Yeah, so that's how you have an advantage. Whereas I have the hard job of actually having to do new research and stuff and try to figure out what Maeve's house will look like.
Okay, so we're seriously doing this now.
Yeah.
Not pull any.
Well,
So
you'll have to
just
wait.
give me a select few images that I have to pick from.
Huh?
Just give me like a little booster or something on it.
Okay. Well, so for example, Maeve, what we have here is
Random.
lights. So like say, that's a cool hob. I might have that in my kitchen.
Saved
Saved already, yeah. Yeah.
Um,
And that's like glass. I might have that like on the door
oh my
frames or
god,
something.
you literally like holding my hand.
Oh, that's a cool. Actually, no, I'm not gonna I'm giving you my hints.
James, yeah, it's all right here in front of me to see. It's literally like your saved item.
Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on here and God help me here trying to figure out what's gonna be in your home. I have an idea though. Okay, so let me set my timer for 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm just gonna search up crushed.
Okay, I have one crushed velvet thing that my headboard is crushed velvet. And to be honest, I know a lot of you guys out there have the same thing, so you're insulting a lot of people right now. I know it's one thing.
Oh, I'm just too good at this game.
No, move away. Like that edge of it.
Here we go. I'm visioning like a mansion. Is it very like kind of a mix of kind of Georgian, kind of more modern pieces?
Georgian. Well, possibly a bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know what Georgian
Sort of
is?
a theme.
A
running
theme. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
famous.
Like very castle-like, like palace kind of
Sure it is.
vibes.
Sure it is.
Is there a bar?
Yeah, well, there definitely would be.
Yeah. Okay.
There definitely would be.
Is there a red room?
Here?
Just a review.
Yes, I do have a red room.
Is it very bright and airy and light?
Well, I've only really got the room in the house. I put you in a nice. What should I put you in here? There's a few pictures now that you already added yourself because I
Okay.
did not add them. They're really nice, but that actually is what I put you as.
Okay, wait, what?
Yeah, it'd be very airy. In all seriousness, I think it would be very bright through the house. A lot of
Like wood and just very warm
not
and.
pine.
No, not pine.
Not pine.
Oh, I'm
I
even
know
in
what
frame.
you hate.
Not pine.
Okay, anything else that you think I've picked?
I think you picked some sort of stripper thing.
Yes, well, I actually looked up quite a lot of strippers. Not much came up. Yeah, I did, yeah.
I think there's some marble, some stone.
Did you look at this on your phone?
No.
Yes, I got put you in for a marble bathroom.
Ooh, nice.
With some
You put me in for one, okay.
some black kind of
Detailing, okay. So do you want to guess yours and then we'll review them then?
Crushed velvet that I don't actually like, only on a headboard. I think it's nice. French windows.
Yes.
Yeah. Green kind of fake plants or real ones throughout the house. Yeah.
Yeah.
White, airy. Yeah. Very, very like a pop of colour now and again, but like mostly white.
Yeah.
Is a bar, obviously?
Yes, obviously. Yeah. Yeah, obviously a bar.
A jacuzzi, a pool.
Yes, there's a pool.
Okay.
Yeah.
Realistic, yeah.
Okay, so will I show you mine first?
Yeah.
Okay, right.
You
Okay,
can
so.
talk me through why you picked.
Okay, so it's the first image, you know.
Yes.
Very
Love
palm
that.
trees, very open,
Yeah.
you know. And then the next image then is also outside, you know,
Yeah.
palm trees,
Palm trees,
a bit of a
white.
greenery. Yeah.
Bang on.
Yeah.
That is bang
And then
on.
like a living room, maybe bright,
Yeah.
you know. Outside a pool, very
Oh, yeah.
Grecian.
Very
you know.
nice, yeah.
Pool, fire pit, you know, umbrellas, palm trees, bar,
Yeah.
outside, then your bedroom. It's definitely this kind of vibe. Some like frilly
crushed
cushion.
Velvet, yeah, crushed velvet. Crushed
Velvet.
velvet. That's sick, Jane.
And then this. Just imagine you're like Dalmatian or something.
Over here, like.
Or your poodle. Your poodle at the end.
Get
That's
lost
your
in
that's
that.
your dog there, the blanket.
That would be vegan.
Yeah. And then that's like your stool.
I knew we all Diamantes and crushed
Yeah,
velvet.
that's
Do
literally
you
your
know who's
headboard.
very? Do you know whose vibe? I don't know if anyone watches Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Lisa Vanderpump. Have you seen it?
No.
That's her style to a T.
That's literally your bedroom, Maeve.
I've won crushed velvet. I've a headboard.
No,
Jane.
that's literally your bedroom. I feel like I was
Black
just there.
crushed velvet.
I feel like I was
My
just there.
room is white and airy and beautiful.
Yeah, but no,
I'm sorry,
this is
James,
what I do
you'd
envision for your
literally-
future, though. This.
You'd stick a stool in the middle of the room and have nothing else and a bit of plant or something on top and call it. Okay.
But no, this is where do you see your future house being, like
Yeah,
kind of
that's
this
lovely.
vibe, not a
Yeah.
crushed velvet thing inside.
Not a crushed velvet. So.
Yeah, because that's just no. But this, yes.
Yeah. love
Yeah,
it.
that's
You're
definitely
bang
Maeve.
on,
Yeah.
bang on.
Okay, let's review mine.
So, I picked this one purely because you're such a cringe.
I would never put anything like that up my house ever. I wouldn't even the fact it's on my laptop right now.
No, the best are the ones in kitchens as well. You know all the
My ketchup
Yeah.
is for K, or
Kitchen.
Mum's kitchen.
kitchen is the heart of the home.
Yeah, yeah. We kick up love in this kitchen.
This is the bedroom.
Are they whips?
I know you love. There for you.
Oh my
then
god! That looks like
Crushed
the.
velvet, your favorite, red.
Oh, God. I feel like I get a committee just looking at that room. That's
Okay,
sick.
look away.
Oh, that's rank. Is that crushed velvet on the walls as well? Gosh.
The entrance into your home. That's the home I think you choose.
Are you serious? Oh my god. For anyone who doesn't know, I used to have a serious fear about Michael Jackson.
Hold on, I put it up here. Just to
Oh my god. Maybe I can't believe we're actually doing this right now.
I mean, I think it'd be something similar to what
We've,
you said.
yes!
You always say that. Though,
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
yeah, that is very eerie.
Yeah,
I think
bright.
French windows, we always said.
yeah.
Yeah. On all serious
And courtyards and stuff like that, yeah.
I don't like the beigey kind of
No,
tones
same,
that
yeah.
houses there don't.
Like warm toned and yeah, like
no.
white.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
it's white. This is the bathroom.
nothing.
I hope you like it. I actually do think it's nice.
Oh, that's actually very nice. Yeah, I like that stone.
I like the dark kind of marble colours on
Against the
here.
white, yeah, it's
I don't know
lovely.
if it'd be the bathroom.
Maybe not the light,
Yeah,
but the mirror and everything's fantastic.
picking it apart now.
What is this?
Just some artwork. I think you'll laugh.
Why would I have that as artwork in my house?
You game in.
Oh, I love that. Yeah.
I love
the
all
windows and stuff, yeah.
And the trees.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it's fab,
The green against the white is
No, you're
fantastic.
actually very bang on.
Oh, yeah, well,
Michael Jackson,
minus
like-
the. Oh my
And then
god.
obviously, like that's your husband.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. That's how we walk into the kitchen every morning to see that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I just removed the hoodie though, because you don't need that.
And
Sorry.
that's the cooker you forced me to take.
Yeah, I think I did.
I never look at a cooker like James. Sorry.
Thank you so much for watching. I forgot to close this out earlier, but I really hope you enjoyed this. Let us know down below what your dream house is going to look like, and if you'd like to see me do this again, let me know. And also, who do you think won? Maeve.
But in fairness, we've grown up together, so
Yeah.
we've been side by side planning our things.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it'd be bad
Forever.
if we didn't kind of know what we wanted.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
And when James becomes a millionaire, he can build me my house.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll be building my own first.
Yeah, build my own
Maeve will be in the granny flat beside.
Sugar daddy.
Yeah. So also, any sugar daddies out there that want to send in their applications,
James already applied.
Yeah. Oh, don't tell them about my OnlyFans. That's private. That's private. It's only for exclusive. It's only for a select few. Anyway, guys, I'm about to die, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.